Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MSI Analytics. So in today's video we are going to learn what is many-to-many relationship and how you can create a many-to-many relationship in Power BI between your tables. So a many-to-many relationship occurs when multiple records in one table relate to multiple records in another table. For example, in a sales table, each transaction might involve multiple products and each product could be a part of multiple transactions. To handle this complexity, Power BI often uses a bridge table which contains foreign keys from both related tables and some additional information. This bridge table helps manage the relationship by linking records from both tables. When setting up these relationships in Power BI, it's crucial to ensure accurate data aggregation and calculation. Many-to-many relationships can create ambiguity and impact performance, so using bridge tables, validating data, and employing DAX functions for calculation can help manage and mitigate these challenges effectively. So now let's dive into the video. First of all, I have already loaded these three tables, which are calendar, listings, and listings here. These tables are related to property, Airbnb property. Now let's visualize the data. We are going to go in the table view, and this is our master table, which is listings table. It is showing us the ID, the host name, and since when the host is hosting the property, and then all the relevant information regarding the Airbnb property. And then we have calendar table, which is showing us all the bookings that has been done on the listing ID. And then we have another table which is listings here. It is also showing us all the relevant information regarding the property, like the room type, the property type, the accommodation, about the bedrooms, beds, and everything. So now let's make a many-to-many relationship. So we are going to work with the master table, which is listings, and then we are going to connect listings here to it. So what we have to do is we just have to find that one similar column between both the tables, which is ID. And we are choosing the ID because it's also similar in calendar table. So for that, I'm just simply going to drag this ID to this area, and then I'm going to save it. And here you go, my many-to-many relationship is now ready. So it was that easy to create many-to-many relationship in Power BI. It will help you visualize your data more accurately, and you can now use DAX calculations to perform your visualization. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you found this video helpful, give us your feedback below in the comments. See you in the next video.